How to change region on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In this video, I will simply show you how you can change the country or region on Spotify. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now let's say you're in a place where Spotify has basically banned listening in your country and now your IP address is also limited. In that case, working a VPN and using it might work sometimes, but in most of the cases that is also not going to work properly, as you could have the slow internet issue and many other such errors might be happening in the first place. So in order to fix this, there is one simple thing that we can do. That is to log into spotify.com. I'll make sure to drop a link below. Then just click on your profile icon from the top right. Then you want to go to the option called accounts. Once I go to accounts, here you'll be able to see that I do not have the option to change my country or region. It is only selected and limited to one specific region over here. So if I want to change my region on Spotify, I would need to scroll down to the bottom, and then here you'll find the option called Join Premium. Now joining the premium will allow us to change our region beforehand. So when it says get started, just click on the get started button over here. And it is on this specific page where you have the option called change country at the bottom. Now in order to subscribe to premium individual plan, you'll be able to successfully go ahead and then simply enter your payment details and so on. If you already have a premium account, you'll find the option called change country right at the bottom already. But if you don't have a premium account and you want to upgrade by changing your region, then you can just choose the option called change country over here. Now you can just change it to any other country, but keep in mind, and it also says that changing a country means your catalog of music will change and the price you pay for Spotify premium could also change, so you just have to keep that in mind. So let's say that I want to upgrade to, let's say, Belgium or any other Cyprus, Croatia. You can just select any of those countries over here, and what you listen to will also vary upon this, and even the price details is also going to vary based on these regions. After you do that, enter your payment details and upgrade to Spotify, and then your IP address is also going to be changed, and as a result your region or country will be successfully changed on Spotify. That's all it takes to change your country or region on Spotify. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.